Today we're back with my Portulacaria Afra. It's been doing really well so far. This was started as a little twig, maybe a bit thicker than a pencil. You can see here it's developing really well. These are exceptional growers, but this one does seem to be above average. Anyway, here in April I'm going to repot it. It's in a pretty small pot, although if you look back at the old videos, the pot was about the right size for it. But now it's certainly way too top heavy, which is why it keeps falling over. These wires were just an anchor point for some guy wires that I was using to lower some of the branches. They're really easy to set up. You just stick some wires in the hole in the bottom of the pot and bend it back on itself, and then it's pretty secure. They're ugly, but they do the job. They're not actually keeping the tree in the pot, it's just very root bound. These can grow a lot of roots very quickly, and now this pot is quite small, this tree can fill it very easily. I'm pretty much repotting yearly at this point, and I think it might need upgraded this spring. You can see it's going to be a complete brick of roots. But that wire you can see there, that was from wiring the tree in the pot since it was so top heavy. But I didn't really do it too tightly, so it was easy enough to loosen up and get the tree out. I started by removing the moss. This is a succulent, and while I water it often, I do let it dry out. So it is surprising to see that moss is growing so easily here. Maybe the humidity of the grow tent made the surface damp enough to keep it happy. Anyway, I just got rid of that and brushed it all off the trunk. I then just tried to rake all the soil out, which is never easy when you have a root ball this compact. You just have to take your time and slowly it will come apart. The soil is still loose. When I do untangle things, it's just, there's a lot of roots. But after some raking, I was left with this, so it's not bad. It's actually developed really nicely. There's also some really decent trunk flare, and the whole trunk in general is fattening up very nicely. Then here it is after pruning. I really just shortened everything back, so it's a pretty small root ball compared to the rest of the tree. But it's a succulent, so there'll be no issues at all. And for some reason in the process I decided to show you all the little shoots that are growing all over the place. Anyway, I did put it in the same pot again. It's getting pretty tight in there though, so I think this might be the last year it's in there. And I also wired it in again, as it's really top heavy, and it does struggle to stay standing up at times. Then nothing is really happening in May, although nothing really happens after actually. This is the case for all my trees last summer, but this was the most surprising. Usually this one just grows like crazy no matter what, but this year it decided to take a break. So there's not much action for the rest of the video. It did grow, just not as intense as normal. You'll see it does kind of fill in a bit. There are a lot of little leaves here, and they kind of grow out to the normal size and then make it look a bit bushier. But the branches didn't really extend as much as usual. Well, some did, but not enough to justify pruning it. So I just kind of left it do its own thing. Also, you might see I kind of repotted it at a weird angle. I just think the pot was too small, and whatever way I jammed it in and tightened the wire, it kind of ended up with a bit of a lean. But it's fine, it shouldn't really affect things too much long term. I'll just need to fix that in the spring when I repot again. But it does mean it loses balance quite a lot, which was happening anyway because it was top heavy. But you'll see it wobbling around quite a lot in the video. But it's still happy and healthy. There's no problems. I think this year we'll do a lot better though. In October, it will not really be growing anymore as the winter sets in. But I was supposed to bend a few more branches down for last year, but I didn't get round to it. Well, it's more that the grow tent was too full and I couldn't do it. But I'll try and sort something out for this season. So really not a lot in this video compared to the previous years. I think it is still way more advanced than I ever thought it would be by this point, and it's still one of my favourite trees. Still a long way to go, but it's coming along very nicely, especially from what I started with. And here it is now, so no changes, but give a few more weeks and we'll start to work. Thanks for watching, see you next time.